Let's look at the tail of the tape there.
What started this? Did they have a beef?
I think Foreman just got tired of seeing Seagal on TV with his shoe polish head.
So that's that's the tail of the tape.
Right? Sandwiches on grill. Exacting revenge on drug traffickers and corrupt cops who killed his family and left him in a coma. I like the wet ponytail as a defensive technique. They're actually pretty even in height and weight.
Old roommate of mine, his daily diet, 4 burgers on the George Foreman grill. Then he'd crush those and a big bag of chips.
Meanwhile, you were sitting in the tub with your duck decoy.